Yesterday we had some senior delegates visiting Delta ports, including the managing director of ONE line, container line, and they have shown very positive interest in restarting the container services in Goa. And this will definitely help the pharmaceutical industries mainly, and a lot of seafood exporters from Goa Port. Also, there has the port also, we had a joint meeting at MPA office, and port also has extended their support to the container lines. They are very positive to restart this services.
Yeah, yesterday's meeting with ONE was very positive, and they have said like once feeder is in, they will start discussing with the feeder and to load the containers. And regarding to feeder, we are in discussion with Unifeeder, it's a part of DP World, and they are right now doing the feasibility study and all these things, and they are about to start post monsoon, that is around September. This is for the exim cargoes. Apart from that, we are also discussing with SCI, Shipping Corporation of India, because recently they have started up with a service called as SMI Smile, and it's pure coastal, and the route starts from Mundra to Cochin to Tuticorin and Colombo. In that, we have asked them to add Goa, because we have a lot of potential cargoes from Mundra and from Goa to Goa, and Goa to Mundra. There are a lot of cargoes, and this will boost the domestic movement, as well as it will give power to the MSMEs who wants to also do coastal cargoes. The coastal cargoes we have like salt, industrial salt, bentonite, clay and tiles from Gujarat, and from here we have all this alumina, then IFB containers, and other manufacturing finished cargoes, which is going towards north.